Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You must act now. Open Start, type msconfig, right-click and run as administrator so you can change the default boot safely. Once done, switch to the Boot tab to see every installed OS entry and select the one you want as default. Make sure to note timeouts and current default. This prevents accidental lockouts. You're preparing both the choice and the fallback, so changing the default won't interrupt recovery options later. Now select the operating system entry you want and click Set as default so Windows Boot Manager will prioritize it. Once done, reduce or set timeout to 10 seconds so you have time to override if needed. If you need specific performance control, use advanced options to set processor count or memory settings, but avoid changing them without reason because that can prevent boot. Make sure the checkbox for Safe Boot is unchecked unless intentionally using it. Finish by clicking Apply, then OK and Reboot to confirm the chosen OS starts automatically. If the system doesn't boot as expected, use Advanced Startup from Settings or a USB recovery drive to return to the previous configuration. This restores access without reinstalling. One key troubleshooting tip: if you lose the boot option, boot into recovery and run bcdedit to inspect or restore the boot entries. Make sure
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.